Welcome to our mortgage loan assumption overview. A mortgage loan assumption allows the current homeowner to transfer their existing mortgage to either an existing owner or a new person who will assume responsibility for the remaining payments and loan terms. The primary advantage of this arrangement is that the other person taking over the payments can benefit from more favorable loan terms, often including a lower interest rate compared to current market rates. This financing option offers unique benefits and important considerations, potentially leading to significant savings and long-term advantages for those seeking a smarter, more cost-effective way to finance a home. Who is this course for? This course is designed for a diverse audience. Whether you're battling rising rent costs, a first-time homebuyer navigating the complexities of the market, or looking to modify an existing mortgage due to life changes like divorce or interfamily transfers, this program is for you. Investors seeking better deals and real estate or mortgage professionals aiming to offer competitive loan options will find our resources invaluable. You'll gain the knowledge to make smart financial decisions that can save you or your clients money over the life of your loan. Thinking about buying a home? While traditional mortgages are a common route, there's another option. A home loan assumption can offer a unique financing opportunity, but navigating the process requires careful consideration. This video provides the foundation you need and guides you to explore this option further in our comprehensive video library at MortgageMarketplace.Academy. At its core, a mortgage loan assumption involves the transfer of all the existing mortgage responsibilities. Taking over a mortgage? Lender approval is your first hurdle. Our video library guides you through the main steps, and getting the existing lender's approval is required to move forward. Let's get you started. If approved, the new homeowner assumes comprehensive responsibility, covering property maintenance, strict adherence to loan terms, and compliance with contractual obligations. This encompasses critical components such as the outstanding principal loan amount, loan type, interest rate, repayment duration, and monthly payment obligations. Remaining vigilant about potential monthly payment adjustments is paramount. These adjustments, influenced by factors like insurance premiums or property tax fluctuations, require careful consideration for sound financial planning. Understanding the terms, implications, and legal responsibilities associated with a loan assumption is crucial. Close collaboration with the existing lender is imperative for a successful transaction. While consulting legal and financial professionals is acceptable, not mandatory, it's important to note that only the existing lender holds the authority to approve or decline the assumption based on their and the investor's criteria. With the new real estate rule in August 2024, indicating that sellers are no longer required to cover the buyer's real estate commission unless specifically offered, staying competitive is more important than ever. By gaining an edge, such as offering a financing solution that is both smart and beneficial, you can leverage this change to enhance your position in the market. Our course provides the essential knowledge needed to deliver a cost-effective financing option, helping you strengthen your competitive advantage and appeal to potential clients. Our video library is a treasure trove of insights, each video crafted to equip you for informed decisions on this financial journey. Click, watch, and empower yourself with the knowledge needed to successfully navigate the seas of mortgage loan assumptions. Your journey towards informed homeownership through a home loan assumption begins in our video library at MortgageMarketplace.Academy. Benefits of our program. Whether you or your clients are seeking to acquire a new mortgage or modify an existing one, our program equips you with specific, detailed, and actionable steps for a smarter, more affordable home financing solution. These strategies are designed to help you or your clients potentially save thousands of dollars over the life of a mortgage, contributing to improved financial outcomes and more informed decision-making. Don't miss out on the opportunity to improve your financial well-being and achieve your housing goals with confidence. This valuable information can be shared with family, friends, and others to help them save money too. Dive in now and start taking steps to make your housing expenses work smarter for your future by visiting MortgageMarketplace.Academy.